Welcome to video number 2 of Yaqeen Institute's mini-series, Why Does God Ask People to Worship Him? We understand this is a common question for people skeptical of faith, and even those who practice religion. To truly answer this question, we must first understand that the question itself is not valid. Here's why. The divine is incomprehensible, meaning that human understanding is limited and cannot fully comprehend God. Therefore, if it's impossible to understand God completely, it's also impossible to critique God. Second, the divine is not human and does not ask for things for the same reasons humans do. Third, the request for worship is not accompanied by need. Rather, God commands humans to worship Him for their own benefit. You may be wondering, how exactly does worship benefit people? Worship can, in fact, provide many positive outcomes for humanity. Continue to video number 3 to learn about the benefits of worship.